Hi, this is Linda and welcome back to my kitchen, Hands That Cook. And today we're going to make paprika chicken, or chicken paprika. Now in this small bowl I've got 2 tablespoons of paprika. Mine is smoky and it's a little hot, and that's what I chose. I've got 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of parsley flakes, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to mix this all together. And I'm going to pour it, I'm going to sprinkle it over my chicken, which I have here in a bowl. Whoa. I think there's 6 or 7 thighs, and I prefer thighs. If you want breasts, you can have breasts, but thighs are juicier and they have more flavor. Let's see. Put your kitchen gloves on because you're going to have to touch this chicken to get this all over it. I'm just going to put it all on top and mix it up. As you can see, let me move out some. Now, this chicken, you've got to let it sit. The least amount of time would be 4, 5, 6 hours, something like that. But it's best to let it sit in the refrigerator 4 to 6 hours, overnight, I'm sorry. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this, let it sit overnight. I think this bowl might be too small, but we'll manage. Some of this is just not coated good enough. Alright, we're going to let that go. Then I'm going to put well, there we go. I'm going to sprinkle, and I mean just lightly, maybe a couple of tablespoons of white vinegar over it. Get that mixed in, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I'm going to turn it several times while it's in there, and I'll bring you back tomorrow to finish the recipe. Whoop. I forgot to tell you, you cover it. And that's one reason I use this bowl, because it covers it has a cover to it. See you tomorrow. Okay, we're back. It's the next day, and I've got my chicken out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to put it in this dry black iron skillet. I'm going to put it skin down first. And preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Don't worry about squeezing your chicken in here because it's better that way. Any liquid that's left in your bowl, pour it on top. And I did add a little more liquid to mine. Alright, I'm going to cover this and I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes at 375. Then I'm going to turn the temperature down to 275. I'm going to turn the chicken over. I'm going to cover it the entire time. I'm going to turn the chicken over. This lid doesn't quite fit, but it's good enough. And then I'm going to bake it at 275 for an hour and a half to 2 hours. And then we'll be back. Hi, we're back. This is my chicken after an hour and a half covered at 275. And it looks wonderful. I'm gonna call Sam in here and have him taste one. Now this is just a simple recipe. It's nothing fancy about it, but I'll put the recipe below in the show more section. I'll be back in a minute. Alright y'all, I rounded up Sam. I got some buttered rice on this plate also, but mainly it's the chicken. So let's go, Sammy.
Yeah.
Give it a taste.
Paprika chicken, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I've never had that to my knowledge. I might have eaten it and didn't know it.
Yeah, you might have.
It's baked chicken.
Yeah, it's baked. And these are thighs.
Yeah, I like thighs. Pretty good. Mm-hmm.
Is it moist and tender?
Oh, yeah.
Tender?
Yeah. Moist, tender. Got a good flavor. Look how tender it is. Don't even really need a knife.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah. Recommend them try it. Sure would.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, guys, I'll put the recipe down in the show more section. I surely want you to try it because I tasted some of it and it's good. So, until next time, like and subscribe if you haven't, and be sure and hit the bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And you all take care, and may God bless every one of you.